I have two Shih Tzus here today. They are sisters. They're probably about 13 or 14 years old. They are getting a short haircut because they have super bad allergies and their ears are very matted. She is loaded up in flea shampoo, and she's going to have to, wow, she's going to have to soak for a few minutes because her owner said that they only had one flea and she is covered. So she is going to have to sit in here and let these fleas die. By the way, she's very old. I'm going to guess she might be 13 or 14 years old, so she's going to be a little grumpy. She is not happy, but I had to let her soak, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse off her shampoo, and I'm also going to put on some conditioner. Her owners like her tail long. I don't know why. but they do. So, I don't think I'm allowed to cut it. So I'm just gonna brush it out. See, she can't stand up, and she probably, honestly, is tripping on her tail all the time. Probably gets under her feet, but I'm gonna take my tin blade and shave under her tail, which goes to the bathroom. Tail's in pretty good shape just because her hair's so thin. I mean, there's not much hair here. I mean, it's long, but it's thin. I'm gonna get my nail clippers and cut her nails. Check for dew claws. She's got a dew claw. Some have them, some don't. There we go. I just trimmed up this foot and I cut her nails. Take a little bit more off. So this dog, I actually have the father of this dog. And I also had one of the puppies, and his name was Oscar. It was her brother. And he died when he was 11 at the vet. Well, not at the vet, from the vet. Having his teeth cleaned. He slowly died over 3 to 4 weeks after having his teeth cleaned. He got pneumonia. And let me tell you, that was an expensive lesson. Because not only did I have to pay $1,000 to have his teeth cleaned, and he died, I had to pay for 2 emergency vet bills also. So, I don't know. I don't know if I should even have my dog's teeth cleaned at this point. I mean, I know they need them cleaned, but I don't trust anybody. I don't know what happened. But she's about 13 or 14 and she's still alive. And let me show you. This is Albert. This is Albert. He's 16 and he's still alive. He's in the house, but I gave him some wings because he's a dog fairy. I designed that myself, and he has a tiara on with diamonds and a diamond necklace too. But he's still alive, and that's her father that I have. And like I said, her brother died, and I kept one of the puppies. They had a litter of 4. But that's him. I keep him on my wall. That's your brother? He was curly. He was a lot longer than her. He had real short legs. And that's your brother right there. Who's cuter? I think he's cuter. I'm just saying. Of course, that's my opinion. Anyway. She's having a hard time standing up. She's very wobbly if I lift one leg up. She wants to fall. Ooh, pretty long. I think it's been about, I have to check, but I think it's been about 3 months since she's been here. Excuse me, I can't see. And dew claw. Okay, double check. I just remembered, after I trimmed up all of her feet, she's spinning in circles. After I trimmed up all of her feet, they want her feet shaved. I totally forgot, so now I have to go back and shave her feet. already did her feet, so they're all shaved and nails are cut. I'm gonna start it on her head. Number 7 blade on her head. The other dog has really bad mats in the ears. And he said it's okay to shave those, so, but I don't know what to do with her. But I think to be safe, I'm just gonna trim it up a little bit. Like usually they don't even want them trimmed. They don't want anything off. I think I'm just gonna trim it up a little bit. I don't know. Guys, if you take your dog to the groomer, be specific. If you have 2 dogs, be specific. Because the groomer's just going to guess. Alright. She's getting her face shaved too, all the hair off her face. So that's what they normally like. They just like the ears and tail left. I don't know. I'm pulling the skin tight so the clipper doesn't get caught in the skin, because it will cut the skin very easily if you catch those folds or wrinkles. Come around to the other side. This ear on this side is perfect. It's like, I mean, it has hair in there. Shih Tzus grow hair in their ears, but it's nice and clean. Look at that. That's a good ear. So I don't know if I should just leave the other ear and clean this one. Definitely cleaning this one, but I gotta shave it out. The thing is, I don't know what's in this ear. I'm assuming she's trying to put ear medicine in it before she comes, because she's done it before. Or I don't know if it's infected and that's actually pus. I don't know. I honestly do not know what to do with this ear. It's awful. If I pull that hair out of that ear, it's going to bleed. They like these ears. I don't know. I really think I should cut them. Look at this. I don't know. I don't know what to do with these ears. Look. Let me take a little bit off. I mean, you can tell they cut mats out because there's big holes missing in the hair. I'm just going to even them a little bit. I wasn't quite sure what he was saying when he came in. I don't know. God, all matted in there. So she's here with her sister, and one of them screamed bloody murder when you're cleaning their ears. So I used the muzzle just in case. I can't remember which one it is. It's probably the other one. I just cleaned her ear and she was fine. So, whoop, that's back on. Like, that ear looks really good. There's no hair, there's no infection, but this other side, like, seriously, I don't know what to do with it. What do y'all think? If you're a groomer, what do you think I should do with this? I mean, whew, I don't even know. Unless I can shave some of it off, which is gonna really make my blade gross. Let's see if I can shave some of it off. I don't know, it might even be a scab. I can't tell. Hold on. She doesn't even have her muzzle on. Oh, yes, she does. I think it's a scab. Yeah, you know what? It's a scab. It is stuck on there and I'm not pulling it. The inside of her ear looks really good. I'm gonna get some, it's a scab. She doesn't have much hair in here. Really looks good besides that big black thing. See? I'm afraid if I try to shave that off, it's gonna bleed. Sorry. Oh no. It's like yellow. It's like ear medicine or something. I'm gonna go ahead and Dremel her nails so she doesn't tear herself up with her itchy skin. And she'll be done. The back nails are more important to Dremel because that's what she scratches her face with. We're done. I'm just gonna wipe her off. So I got most of that stuff out of her ear, but actually that black thing right there is a scab. It's stuck on, and I'm not pulling on it because I know it's raw underneath and it's gonna bleed. So I'm done. Because the flea bats don't kill 100% of the fleas. I mean, if you're lucky, they do. But those things, they're fast. They run and they hide. They jump in the ears. They run in the cracks of the lips. They run in their private areas. They run and they hide to get away from the flea spray. So you're never going to kill all of them. Plus, they're going to go home. These dogs are going to go home. And the fleas are in the house. They're just going to get back on them. So, what are you going to do? Anyway, I'm going to get a little bit of flea spray. Just put a little on her face here. Just to repel them from running in her eyes, because they will run in the eyes. There we go. I'm going to spray some on her belly too. Let me do this. Sorry, I don't have a choice. Okay, so I have some fall bandanas. There's your collar. This has little, I think it's squashes, and a little pumpkin. And this slips over her collar. All right. Tell everybody thanks for watching. I just like to get a good shot of these dogs with their bandana, but you know, they will not look at the camera. See? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. I feel like this is my dog because like I said, I had her brother and I have her father. Okay, we're done playing. Look at the camera. Look up, look up, look up. Fine, we're going.